Hello, my name is Eugen from Prokuria, and in this short video I will showcase Prokuria's level of customization regarding the items that you want to purchase. For this we are using what we are calling items templates. In this particular example we have tried to replicate a basic example from the automotive industry. Let's suppose you want to buy components for brakes. Let's suppose we want to buy multiple components, and each component obviously has multiple subcomponents, which is showcased here, and we can customize this template here according to what you require. For example, in this particular case we have added the description, the historical price, and from the supplier side, the supplier side's fields are marked with the yellow color. We can ask for the price per unit for each subcomponent. We can ask for a price for multiple pieces, for 100, let's say 200 pieces, 300 pieces. We can also ask for each subcomponent's lead time, delivery time, and the delivery locations. And we can do this exactly for the other components as well, and we can add as many of these tabs as we want, depending on how many components there are. Also, we are not limited to only one template. We can also ask, let's say, for additional services where we can where we see that the template is totally different. We are asking the supplier regarding the location of additional services, so where they are offering them, the description, whether they are mandatory or not, and obviously the price of these additional services. Let's suppose that we want to add also another column here. Let's suppose we want some additional information from the suppliers. This can be done on the fly. We just edit the columns. We just add the new field. Let's say additional info. We save it. And this additional info, we want to show it to the suppliers. And basically after we do this, the field will appear here, and we can enable the supplier to edit it. So this is how easy we can change this information. Also, let's suppose that we want here in the historical price. We can also play with this, so we can see that it can only be it's only shown to the buyer, and only the buyer can edit this. If needed, we can also show it to the supplier. So we can play with this information however we need. So this has been just a short overview of how you can customize the templates for the items that you want to buy in Prokuria. If you need more information, please contact us via the contact form on prokuria.com. Have a good day. Bye.